Watch the video until the end to see cool stuff like this. Let's talk about this Xiaomi 14 Ultra. Let's start with the display size comparison. So this mobile comes with a 6.73 inches of AMOLED display, and it is a LTPO display. It is a 120Hz refresh rate supported, Dolby Vision supported, and HDR10 plus content supported display, protected by the Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. When we talk about the heart of this mobile, that is a processor. It comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, which is a 5G 4nm based processor. When I say 5G, we need to know about the 5G bands, right? Yeah, it does comes with a 17 5G bands internationally. And this mobile comes with two variants, mostly those are 12GB RAM to 56GB internal storage and 16GB RAM 512GB internal storage variants. Now these are equipped with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 UFS 4.1 storage capacities along with the LPDDR5X RAM type. So combining these three, we can expect killer performance from this mobile. Oh, by the way, if you are watching the video until now, hitting the like button and also hitting the subscribe button will give me a thumbs up and a boost to make more videos like this. And by the way, if you want to watch more videos on my channel, I have given a link to that in the description box down below, as well as here in the card section, which I have made a video about the Xiaomi 14 versus OnePlus 12 comparison. On that video, I have explained which mobile you should buy according to the choices. So go and make sure you watch that video. When we talk about the next aspect, that is cameras. Yeah, it does comes with a humongous camera setup at the back side. Yeah, rear it comes with the 50 megapixels of main wide angle camera with the optical image stabilization and 50 megapixels of telescopic zoom camera with the optical image stabilization, and also a 50 megapixels of periscopic zoom camera. It is also optical image stability camera, and a fourth camera that is a 50 megapixels of ultra wide angle camera. So total of 4 cameras. Yeah, we can shoot up to 8K 30 FPS with this mobile's back camera. For the front, it does comes with a 32 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. And when we talk about the powerhouse of this mobile, that means the battery. Yeah, this mobile comes with a 5000 milliampere of battery internationally, but in China it comes with a 5300 milliampere. Let's talk about the international variant because we are in India. Yeah, it comes with a 5000 milliampere of battery. It supports 90 watts of fast charge through wire, 80 watts of fast charge through wireless, and 10 watts of reverse wireless charge. This mobile will be available in 3 colors mostly. Those are black, blue, and white. There are also rumors like this mobile might come with another color variant, that is a gray. When we talk about this mobile's operating system, yeah, this comes with the Android version 14 out of the box with the Hyper OS. Yeah, the flagship version OS of the Xiaomi mobiles. There is a Hyper OS. When we talk about this mobile's multimedia, it does comes with the stereo speakers, but no 3.5mm jack. Sorry. When we talk about the connectivity, this mobile comes with a Wi-Fi 7 tri-band Wi-Fi support, Bluetooth 5.4, and also it comes with the IR blaster and also NFC. So these are all the features that this mobile comes available with. When we talk about this mobile's price, yeah, this is the major important thing which we have to know, that this mobile comes with a 99,999 rupees of price tag according to the rumors. So almost 1 lakh. So this might be a, for that price range, this might be a overkill mobile. So this mobile also comes with a, when we talk about this mobile's build quality, yeah, it does comes with a steel frame and front and back glass. When we talk about the box contents, it does comes with a charger, cable, SIM ejector tool, and quick start guides, and also a TPU case. So total bundle you can get this with this mobile. When we talk about this mobile's other features, like it does comes with the in-display fingerprint scanner, and also it supports obviously the face unlock ID. This mobile doesn't have any IP68 water and dust resistance, so that is a minus thing I think for that price range. Oh, by the way, if you're watching the video until now, hit the subscribe button and also the like button. Do share to the other people who wants to know about the content. And that's it for the video. If you like the video, hit the subscribe button and also the share button. Thank you for watching.